Hi, so we are doing this special workshop, which I think it's really special because a lot of businesses, the main thing they want is either to drive traffic to their website or to drive traffic to their local store. And with social media stories, you can actually do that a lot. A lot of people don't know that. This is almost like a best kept secret. And it's maybe they just don't know it yet. So with this training, I'm going to show you how you could use social media stories. It's worked. How you could use social media stories to drive traffic to your website or to drive local traffic, to see how you can gain local traffic so local people can actually see what you do, and also how to use hashtags. And most importantly, they've updated the stickers. Again, there are new stickers there, and there's so many that you can use actually that, I mean, the timeline is great, but as a business, you really want to take advantage of the stories. I can't say how great enough they are. So I hope you can join us for this training and you can gain a whole lot. So see you there. Take care.